Okay, Pulkit, you can stop sharing. Hi, welcome everybody for this IQL Indian Quizzing League match 2. First of all, thanks all of you who joined last game. Today we have another one of the thriller coming up today, and without much ado, let's start introducing our players, the big players for today's match. So starting with reverse order with no basically order. Everybody starts from zero. Starting with first Sumesh. Sumesh, welcome you for the IQL match 2. Can we get Sumesh?
Hi, good evening. Myself with Indian Oil Corporation Limited, working in business development function in New Delhi.
Great,
I've been for when. So hi, it's good to be here.
Welcome, Sumesh. How are you? You already said you're feeling great. Can you link with the one cricketer today whom you will be replicating in today's match? It could be any of your favorite or somebody.
I'll try to be Dhoni.
Oh, Dhoni, great. So joining Sumesh is Nishal. Nishal, welcome
Dhoni.
for this quiz. Yeah, great. Dhoni is Sumesh. Yes, Nishal. Welcome.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I am Nishal. I belong to Delhi. I am.
Got my big hair like him.
Yeah. I am heading supply chain management in one of the EPC company. A keen quizzer, and good to be here. Thank you.
Great. Welcome Nishal. Welcome Nishal for the match 2. Thanks for joining. And any cricketer you would like to correlate yourself to?
My all-time favorite is Sachin. So
great. So Sachin, Dhoni already taken today. Joining Madhur from Delhi again. Madhur, welcome for the IQL quiz number 2, match number 2, as they say. How are you feeling?
Doing good. Thank you, Anurag. It is a great pleasure to see the group start again and be part of the quiz.
Great, Madhur. And whom do you replicate today as a cricketer? I know tennis and football are going on, but we are cricketers there.
Oh, hopefully Michael Bevan.
Michael Bevan. And what's the reason? Some long shots?
Some long shots, good finishing at the end.
Okay, so finally we have a foreign player. Dhoni, Tendulkar, Michael Bevan. Welcome, Madhur, again. Joining Madhur is Kaushik. Kaushik again from Delhi. Kaushik, welcome for this quiz, match number 2. You're on mute, Kaushik. Can you unmute yourself? Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, good evening, gentlemen. This is Kaushik. I'm basically being an ad man all my life. Well, almost. For over 20 years, I've been working in India and abroad. And I came back and I've joined Ad Factors and I'm heading their advertising division. And I'm always been a keen learner. And it is so good to be here with the great champions out here. Thank you.
So Kaushik, you're downplaying yourself. To tell all other viewers, Kaushik is by no means less than a champion himself. Kaushik, whom do you align with any cricketer today?
I think I would choose Sehwag.
Sehwag, wow.
Yes.
Sehwag, Dhoni, Tendulkar,
yeah.
and one foreign player, Michael Bevan. Welcome, Kaushik, again.
Thank you.
And we had actually Chandan, but couldn't join today. I can't see him. So we'll be playing with 5 players today. And finally, the last in the lineup for the players in match. So we have some change of rules. So we'll explain you later when we introduce our quiz master. So finally, we have Amreshwar. Amreshwar, welcome back for this quiz.
Hi, I'm Amreshwar. I work for a US-based IT retail company. So I'm heading that. I'm the CEO here, and I like quizzing, and it's great to be back in this forum. Thank you.
Great, Amreshwar. Welcome. And whom do you align today with as a cricketer?
I would align with Ravi Shastri. We share the birthday, and he's a coach. So he's a coach of a great Indian cricket team as of now.
Great, but are you not aligning with the wrong person? You have to play the match, not coach today, right? So
No, I mean, I have to play the match. When he used to play, he was, champions of champion. He got Audi, and we all know about him.
welcome, welcome. So great.
Thank you.
Amreshwar has a different strategy. So Tendulkar, Dhoni, Michael Bevan, everybody, and finally Ravi Shastri as well. So these are the top 5 players who will be playing in the game today. And Madhur, can you be on camera? I can't see you. And 2 more players. Let's introduce them right away. So they are Rachit joining somewhere from Punjab, I guess. Welcome, Rachit.
Hi everyone. Today, I just there is electricity cut, so I'm joining from my phone. So
Okay.
I work for a construction management firm and been with them for almost 5 years now. I've been a keen quizzer in my college days and also like my time in the office. Like to host few quizzes and have done in the past. And I'm here right now to experience with all of you great personalities and the quiz masters.
Welcome. So again, one more underplaying himself. Yesterday, he couldn't join us, and today, without electricity joining, that's the passion of quizzing. So Rachit, whom do you align with today as a cricketer?
Rahul Dravid.
Rahul Dravid. So yeah,
I
so you'll
have
be
to set myself first, like for the long journey in the future.
and I think very aptly selected because you'll have to sit in the dugout, which Rahul Dravid does, right? These days. But you are
Yeah.
very much in the game. We'll tell you the rules and all audience what are the rules for today. And last but not the least by any chance, Chiranjeev. Chiranjeev, welcome you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Chiranjeev Singh Bedi, joining in from New Delhi and working with Godrej Security Solutions as Zonal Head for North. Thank you for having me here in this match too. And as regards cricketer, my all-time favorite is Kapil Dev. So I can think about him.
Great. So Kapil Dev, Kapil Paji finally coming to the party. And next time, maybe some older players like Bishan Singh Bedi can also be there, right? Chiranjeev, aligning with your name. Okay. So these are the players, contestants who will be playing today, the match 2. But the team which aligns with me, which helps me all arranging this quiz, I welcome Pulkit Agarwal. Pulkit, if you can come online, let me highlight you. Yeah, welcome Pulkit. So Pulkit is the person who handles everything, whatever goes today in any of our events. He'll be scoring for us as well. Pulkit, welcome for this quiz.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
So you want to tell something about yourself quickly in a minute?
So I work for an oil company here in New Delhi. So that's about it. Yeah.
Great, Pulkit, and hope you do all your chartered accountancy today, correcting all the scores, So you have a responsibility and a lot of other things Pulkit does, which is not visible on the screen, but that's how the program happens. So thanks, Pulkit,
Sure,
for
thank you.
being our, and gentlemen and ladies, time comes to introduce the person of the day, our quiz host, one and only one, Deepak Taneja. So let's welcome with the claps of hands, Deepak. How are you feeling today? So Deepak is an ace quizzer and he takes the mantle of hosting the quiz today. He is the one who has been winning a lot of online quizzes in past few months as well. Welcome, Deepak. Over to you.
Thank you, Anurag. So it feels great to be between such a, elite gathering of quizzers, quiz masters, and participants and audience. I mean, even the audience I can see some names in audience who are great quizzers.
Right.
It really feels great to conduct a quiz in between them. But for record, I would, like to tell all the participants that the credit for the questions, most of the questions should go to Anurag also because he has curated most of the interesting questions. A few of them have been curated by me. In fact, we curated together. So Anurag is a modest person. He will not like to take the credit, but definitely he deserves the credit for these questions. And I hope everybody enjoys today.
Let's
The
get
purpose
started.
of-
Deepak.
yeah,
Let's get started, Deepak.
the purpose of quizzing is infotainment, information and entertainment. So let's get informed and let's get entertained. So
Great, yeah. So Deepak,
started.
yeah, you can launch the PPT and this
Okay.
quizzing one. So as Deepak launches, we'll be telling the rules. So audience, you also have a chance to win whatever question is left unanswered from all these top 6 or 7 of us here. The question goes to you. So you can't chat out, but you can raise your hand, and that's how you will do it. So just raise your hand and we'll get back to you.
Okay, I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, Deepak, yeah, it is.
Okay, let's straight away go to the rules. Rules of this round is this round are total 15 questions, all on
Is logged in. Sumesh is logged
Can
in.
you name the
Nish-
participants who are not logged in
Yeah.
on buzzer?
yeah, please.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So Amreshwar, Lischal, and Madhur are there. Just to reconfirm. So we have Chiranjeev missing out and Rachit. So Chiranjeev and Rachit, if you can quickly log in without much ado. 174954. 174954. Okay, Deepak, over to you.
Okay, and so plus 10 for correct, plus minus 10 for wrong. So that's a straightforward scoring pattern. And only first 3 buzz taken per question. What this means is that we can take at the most 3 chances per question. So if the first person on buzzer gives a wrong answer and gets minus 10, the question passes over to buzzer number 2. And certainly, finally, it goes to the buzzer number, the person who has pressed the buzzer at the 3rd spot. The winner of this round qualifies for next stage of IQL. Number 2 and number 3, another chance to play in next match. That will be next week, probably. And then 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, they also don't sit out idle. They play from dugout in next match. Now for dugout, the rule is a bit different. The scoring pattern, in fact, all the rules are similar. They play along with the regular players, but the scoring pattern for them is plus 10 and minus 20. So they'll have to take a lot of risk if they want to get into the league again. So Anurag, what's say? Should we start?
Yeah, let's start. So I'm resetting the buzzer and requesting everybody not to press before the question comes, right? So yeah.
Everybody is logged in. Everybody on buzzer. Everybody eligible for buzzer is logged in, no?
Yeah, everybody is logged in. Buzzer first.
Okay.
Great. Yeah, we can start.
Okay, let's play. Okay, everybody on the buzzer.
Yeah, everybody is there.
Okay, question number 1. Connect Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Macedonia, Montenegro, Serbia, and Slovenia. What's the connect?
Okay, so we are closing the buzzer now. So we have
Okay.
Madhur first and Kaushik after him. So Madhur, unmute yourself and what's your answer?
Erstwhile Yugoslavia, provinces of erstwhile Yugoslavia.
That's a brilliant answer, Madhur. And you straight away, Michael Bevan hits the ball for a 4. It's plus 10 for Madhur. The correct answer is Yugoslavia, the erstwhile Yugoslavia, which is now broken up into Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, Macedonia, Montenegro, Serbia, Slovenia. So imagine if all the tennis players, great tennis players playing together under the flag of Yugoslavia, so nobody would have beaten them in Davis Cup. Okay.
Great.
Anurag?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go for the next question. Everybody ready? Okay. There are 2 parts to this question, X and Y. Their countries and what is the connect.
Okay, so we have again Madhur and the buzz closed now. Madhur, over to you.
So X would be Portugal. Connect is FC Porto, Chetri played for FC Porto's B team, and Cristiano Ronaldo also played for FC Porto. This guy is क्या नाम था इसका यार? I don't know why. Sorry, I'm completely blank.
Okay.
For why.
Sorry, Madhur, we can't give it
Okay,
to
sorry,
you.
Madhur. So your answer.
It's -10
So
for you.
any from the audience? Audience, this is your audience.
The
This is
second
your
chance.
chance to.
Anurag, nobody presents second chance.
No, nobody. So I'll let you know if
Okay,
somebody presses.
okay.
So it's over to audience. You can raise your hands, and Pulkit is there to see who has raised the hand. So we have Sumuk who has raised his hand. Sumuk, I'm asking you to unmute. And Sumuk.
Yeah, so I'll go with Iraq and Portugal. Iraq and Portugal for the countries. The connect I would say is like Sunil Chhetri is the highest scorer for India, goal scorer for India. So similarly, Ronaldo for Portugal, and I don't know the person's name, but
Okay,
he is the highest goal scorer for Iraq.
Okay,
But what's the connect?
No. So he's wrong actually, Deepak. So let's go to Sumuk. Yeah, well tried. You are almost there, but not totally correct. So let's go to Tathagat. Tathagat, I'll ask you to unmute.
Yeah, so these are the top scorers in international matches. X is Portugal, India, and Y is Saudi Arabia. This is Dali Ali.
Okay, so one more hitting the dust. You are again close, Tathagat, but not correct. So next in line is Pankaj Jindal. And may I request others to lower their hands as they speak the answers. So Pankaj, I'm asking you to unmute. 1 second.
Pankaj, I'm just, yeah.
Yeah, so these are the top 3 goal scorers which are currently active. International goal scorer, active goal scorers. So
yeah, but you have to give
Ronaldo
the you have to give the country X and Y. So X Portugal is obvious.
So X is Portugal, Y maybe Egypt.
Okay, so everybody's wrong. Deepak ji, let's go
I'll
to
show
you.
the answer. I'll show the answer.
Yeah.
I think Tathagat,
Iran. Ali Dai is the person, I think.
Who's speaking this?
Ali Mab. Who
is this?
Achha. Okay.
Yeah, let's.
Okay.
So yeah, Deepak, yeah.
So Madhur gets -10 for that. Unfortunately, he got himself stumped out. He came out to hit and got stumped out. And let's go for the next question.
Yeah, so I think Tathagat and Sumuk deserves the claps. They were pretty close.
Certainly.
And yeah, and this was a question which I made Deepak ji because I knew that not many don't know that a UAE player is the top scorer.
Yeah, but Tathagat sir was the nearest.
Yeah. So
okay.
Tathagat, yeah, keep. Yes, please. Let me.
Buzzers, everybody on the buzzer.
Yeah.
Oh.
Reset it. Yeah.
Most livable cities in 2021 as per the Economist annual survey. Either country, so only one chance. You can identify either X or Y. The list of top 12 cities came in recently.
Okay, so we have Kaushik going for it, and everybody else just buzzer closes. So Kaushik, over to you. What's the answer?
I'll go for the country. It's New Zealand.
No, you don't have to go for a country. You have to tell the city. So
City. You can say city.
I'll give you another chance. So you have to give the city name, livable city.
Okay. It's a QE city. Okay.
You can give
Christchurch.
Okay, so that will give you -10, Kaushik. And Pulkit, has somebody raised the hand? 2 participants I can see are raised. 3, 4.
Anurag, sorry, I have been logged out and it says that it's code. The room doesn't exist for the buzzer.
174954. Just write it down somewhere. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. But it says the room does not exist.
I can't help on that because that's what the code is. So just refresh and try to do it.
Do it again. Refresh.
Yeah. Just do it. I don't think it should be. You might be typing a wrong code.
Okay, 5 participants have raised the hand. Anurag, can you just?
My buzzer didn't go or what, Anurag?
No, yeah, no. So just.
I have a green buzzed.
That's fine, bro. Yeah. Your buzzer went, but the time was done. So when I say close, then don't press. Just don't press. Okay. So let's go to Pankaj. So I'm unmuting Pankaj. Pankaj, what's the answer?
Yeah, this is Auckland from New Zealand.
And
the X is Auckland.
And why should I ask 12th
so
number?
why I just want to confirm, why is the least one or
Not the least one, but the 12th one, the top 12 cities.
No, it's not the
maybe
least. Yeah.
Wellington?
Okay, so let's go to the answer. Your answer is correct. And why is in fact Austria, Vienna, which was #1 last year. So because of COVID effect, all Europe countries have gone down, and New Zealand and Australia are the one, and Japan is the other places which were not there earlier. So that's the question. That was the spirit of the question. Okay, well answered. And we have a -10 with Kaushik. And I don't know why. Any luck again, Madhur?
Yeah, can you see me? It says you're logged in.
I can't see you. Yeah, so just refresh
Just a
again.
second, I'll just log in again.
So we'll wait for Madhur one last second. And may I request the audience to lower their hands once they are done with it.
Okay, logged in now.
Yeah, you're logged in. So Madhur, keep refreshing, doing the text entry as was told yesterday, everybody, right?
Yeah, and I would request everybody to off their screen locks, the participants.
Yeah, right. Okay, moving on to next question, Deepak ji.
This is a Google Doodle dedicated to very recent current affairs.
Okay, so we are closing this buzzer now. Don't press now. Kaushik is one first, and second is Rachit from Dugout. So can Kaushik do it? Kaushik, over to you.
Shirley Temple.
Excellent answer.
Is the answer.
And you made up for your loss. You're back in the league. The answer is Shirley Temple. It was a very recent Google Doodle to her. Great personality. And I think the history of Hollywood is incomplete without her.
Great, yeah. And yeah, and just for everybody in audience and everyone, our spirit of playing this game is to know what is latest. So you'll find a lot of current affairs today.
Likewise, I would just like to add a trivia. I can't live without Bollywood, I would say. So Daisy Rani was known as the Shirley Temple of India.
Wow, so you almost gave one question. Because let me announce one more thing, Deepak ji, then. I was planning to announce this later on, but we'll be doing something more of Bollywood today. There's no Bollywood here, so we'll ask, because of the public demand, we'll put some questions of Bollywood next week in match number 3.
Sure. Okay, can we go for the next one? Everybody is there?
Everybody is there. Let me reset the buzzer one more time. Yeah, right.
So everybody logged in?
Yeah, everybody's there.
Okay. I think this is the 5th question, and then after 5 you will have the score line also.
Yeah, that will be the Pulkit.
Going for the next one. Okay, this is very interesting. I just scraped through this thing. What's the name of this footwear collection? It's from Bata.
Since nobody's going, so just to give a hint, you can see the
see the tagline. It says a lot, and see the type of footwear.
Yeah, very simple, very
much to do with the current.
Okay. The buzzer closes. Madhur has only pressed it.
Yes, Madhur. I think you can click it.
Madhur and Chiranjeev. Yeah. Okay.
Madhur?
Yeah, so I will go with the Corona or COVID collection.
COVID collection. Okay, I'm sorry. You have to get -10 on that. You were on the right track. Next
is Chiranjeev. Chiranjeev from Dugout. +10, -20.
I think it's a Bata Comfy collection.
Comfy is written down the line, so it can't be comfy.
So we have some participants who have raised their hands at that level. So Sumukh is there again. Sumukh, over to you.
No, you can see a mask there, but I'm not able to I'm not able to identify what exactly the name, but I'll just say Bata mask collection.
No, nothing.
Close. You're close. Amlan is there. Amlan is next in line. Amlan, what is your answer?
This is Chandrima. Actually, Chandrima Biswas, and this is 9 to 9 collection.
Okay.
Not exactly. Next
in line is Pankaj, last term winner.
Maybe work from home collection.
It is indeed. This is work from home collection. You can see the pattern in the footwear, and then you can see stay safe, stay comfy. And I told you current affairs. Madhu was on the right track. So I'm sorry, Madhu got -10. And Chip got -20, unfortunately. So I think the scoring pattern is going in the wrong direction.
So here's the score at the end of the game. So Madhu doing +10, -10, and then again he took a -10. Is it okay?
And five or six people leading on 0.
But Kaushik doing +10, -10, and
Kaushik was
Chiranjeev-
+10. So why is Kaushik showing 0?
No, so just rely on the scoring of Pulkit, Deepak ji. So
Kaushik
he
took,
did-
Kaushik took -10 on most livable cities first and then a +10. So
right.
Achha,
Great.
he was not on +10 earlier.
Yo, so plenty of quizzing left. Just 5 questions. Let's get back to the quiz.
Okay.
Can you, Deepak ji, can you launch it again, your quiz?
Achha, I have to again share it?
Yeah, you have to again share. So as Deepak ji shares, just be very
Okay.
cautious.
Everybody reset? Anurag?
Yeah, everybody reset. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, going for the next one. It's not running.
No, just launch, just press enter.
Okay. X started his career as a lecturer of economics at the Shyam Sundar College of the University of Burdwan, followed by City College, Calcutta. In 1976, when disenchanted by the gap he perceived between the economic theory he taught and the socio-political reality, he decided to quit and make his passion his profession. Which legendary person? This is current affairs. Super current affairs, as Mr. Governor would call it, SCA. Super current affairs.
Okay, then everybody playing safe, nobody going. So the buzzing stops here. Let's go to the audience. So we have 2 hands raised. Again, I'll just ask Biswas, Amlan's iPhone. Ask
Chandrima Vishwas.
Chandrima ji, your answer. And you can't go wrong on this. That's a big hint. Can I ask you to unmute, Chandrima? Yes, Chandrima.
This is Avijit Mukherjee.
Okay, Chandrima, you're wrong. So let's.
1976.
So let's go.
Come on.
Next one.
Okay, let's go to Pankaj Jindal. So I'll request the participant just to give one answer. Don't give
Pankaj,
another answer.
yeah.
Pankaj, over to you. If you can unmute.
Maybe Buddhadev Gupta, Dasgupta, who.
Brilliant answer, Pankaj. Thank God you're not in the participant team today. This is Buddhadev Dasgupta, who expired 2-3 days back.
And he was one of the most 32 national awards speaks.
The most respected filmmaker.
Right.
Okay. Is everybody reset? Can I go for the next one?
Yeah, I'm resetting it. And may I request the audiences to lower their hand after the question is asked? So Soma, you can lower your hand right now.
Soma, the answer is already over. Yeah.
Yeah. So that will make my life easier.
Okay. Can I go for the next question? Everybody.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. Question number 7. Connect. You just have to give me the connect, not the names. Simple connect.
And connect is okay. So we have Madhur going again and Amreshwar. So buzzing closes now. Madhur, what is your answer?
So this is Chandro Tomar, Chetan Chauhan, and the third one I don't know, but the connect is they all passed away due to COVID.
What's Anurag? I think we can give +10.
Yeah, brilliant.
Mother,
Brilliant answer.
he
Brilliant
gave the
answer.
connect correctly. It is basically the sports persons we lost to COVID. But we'll give it to you. They were lost to COVID.
Yeah,
MK, the
good
third
answer.
one is MK Kaushik, international hockey player. I remember in my school times, Kaushik, our Kaushik Da will also remember that Kaushik used to be a very good player.
And since
Yes, indeed.
Deepak ji,
Yeah, and my Bengali friends would say कि आपके यहाँ Kaushik surname होता है, हमारे यहाँ Kaushik name होता है.
and Deepak ji, most frustrating thing which I came to know after MK Kaushik passed away was that he was my very near neighbor. You know, he stayed.
Oh my God, that's very sad.
So I felt very bad, and he was a very regular in a park which is front of us. So yeah, very down to earth person.
He was from Gurgaon actually. He was neighbor. His sister was my Bua's colleague actually in KV, teacher. His sister was a teacher in KV who was my Bua's colleague. He was from Gurgaon.
Right. Okay, let's move to next one.
Okay, next one. Everybody's reset. Okay. Give either. Often called the Niagara Falls of India. X Falls is in the Indian state Y. Give either one.
Okay, so we have Madhur again, and then Somesh and Amreshwar closes, buzzer closes. So first shot is Madhur.
So
I hope you, yeah.
I'm taking a guess on this one. This is Athirapalli Falls in Kerala.
Okay, -10 to Madhur. Moving on to Somesh. Somesh, over to you. Somesh, your answer. Can you unmute yourself, Somesh? Unmute yourself, yeah.
This is Madhya Pradesh, MP.
Okay,
I've
-10
forgotten the
to
false name. I've been to this.
-10 to Somesh. Finally, we go to Amreshwar.
This is Chhattisgarh Chitrakote Falls.
Wow, what answer?
Oh.
So Ravi Shastri finally
We
coming.
can't give you 20 points, Satiji. We can only give you 10 points for that.
Thank you.
But a brilliant answer, yeah.
So 10 points to Satiji, -10 to Somesh, and -10 to Madhur. So Madhur, I think, got 10 in the last question, and he again.
And good to see a lot of Deepakji, good to see a lot of audience raising their hand. Atul Bharti is one of them. I could see
That's
two
good.
more.
Oh,
Great.
good.
So
Atul is there, yeah.
yeah, just lower your hands now, and we'll move on to the next
Okay.
question.
Everybody reset?
Yeah.
Going for the 9th one. Either give the name of the book or author. This is also as per our governor, dear governor says SCA, Super Current Affairs. See the photo carefully, the answer is right there.
So Pankaj, you don't raise your hand. This was a question courtesy, Pankaj. So Pankaj, you are not.
The name of the book is right there. You can take a guess.
So Deepakji, you want to give a quick guess? One more.
Yes,
hint
I'm
again.
giving a very giveaway clue. It is
One more clue is that the couple had a child just recently. Okay, so closes, buzzer closes. I can see Saf raising his hand. So Saf, who was the runners-up in the last match, I'm asking you to unmute Saf, and you can come on video as well. We'll have a chat.
Yeah, so this would be Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex.
Great, what a brilliant answer. I gave the hint.
And the name of the book. Can you guess the name of the book, Sir Rahman?
Sorry.
Your name is easier than the author.
Okay, so then let's go
Make
to
a
the...
guess. Make a guess. See, and just make a guess.
Okay,
Say
let's...
something.
Deepak, you can show the slide, so that's fine. That will be good.
Should I give the answer slide?
Yeah, give the answer slide. So then you'll realize how simple it was. Okay, so Saf, welcome you back. You were the runners-up last time. So how did you feel in the game last time?
Yeah, it was a great experience quizzing after a lot of many months. So
Right.
It was a good experience last week.
And Saf, I'll request you. We had a small change of rules, so would you mind playing next match? Because we just want the winners to move forward and others to join. So I think you'll love to play more, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so you can take a
But
call.
can we
but
go faster
sure.
because people
Yeah.
it's Sunday evening and everybody
Yeah.
wants to enjoy
Yeah.
their special dinner.
Right. Let's start.
All
Let's
set?
move on to the next. Yeah. So
Reset?
thanks, Saf. Yeah. So no, one sec. Somebody press the buzzer without. Okay. Yeah. Great.
Reset?
Yeah, reset.
Just give me a green signal.
Done. Go ahead.
Okay. Now we want both the parts. From a fruit juice seller to a cassette shop in Daryaganj, Delhi, this person X started the leading music label Y that changed the shape of the Indian music industry.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. So buzzer closes. We have Amreshwar first, then we have from Dugout Chiranjeev, and then Nishchal. So Amreshwar, over to you. What's the answer?
Gulshan Kumar T series.
Brilliant.
So plus 10 to you again, can't give you 20. You again gave both the parts correct. So plus 10 to Satiji. Let's go to the answer. And is it reset? So should I go for the next question?
Yeah, we'll show the scores at 15th question, Pulkit, because of the time. So let's go. Yeah, let's move it. Yeah.
Okay, because everybody is waiting for their Sunday special dinner. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's start. Let's do fast. Yeah.
Okay,
So
all set?
I resetted the buzzer. Yeah. Next one.
Who is on the cover of this Vogue magazine?
Okay, buzzer closes now. A lot of you going for the buzzer. We have first Kaushik, then Nishchil, and then Madhur, then Chiranjeev, and then Somesh. So Kaushik first, your hit.
It's my answer would be Malala Yousafzai.
Perfect answer, Kaushik. That's plus 10 for you.
And it's a recent Vogue magazine, July magazine, not even out, I think, or maybe out.
Yeah.
Just now. So I'm just resetting the buzzer. Good going. Finally, teams in the ground are playing now.
Anurag always thinks futuristically, so he has given a July. The idea must have come from Anurag only, given to both magazine publishers.
No, this was courtesy you. Okay, great.
Is reset. So should I go for the 12th one?
Yes, please.
Okay, ready. Who recently bought stake in this company? The company is given. It's not completely given, but that person's face is hidden. No buzzer. Should I give a clue?
Yeah, please.
Famous sports person. It is a British electric car company.
And very contemporary sport, right? Very
yeah,
sport in the news.
Yeah. Just I think that should be enough.
So nobody going. So let's move to the. Let's move to the
Can
past.
we give more clues, Anurag?
No. So let's go to
Audience.
Amlan again. Amlan, just give one answer, please. Huh?
Chandrima, only one answer.
David Beckham.
Correct. It is David Beckham.
What a
It was
brilliant
a
answer.
good clue, Deepak ji. Face से लग रहा था, but I didn't want to lose -10.
अरे बोल देते 10 में भी आप जीत जाते, बहुत पॉइंट ले लिया आप.
अरे नहीं sir, it was a very good clue. I didn't want to.
Fortune favors the brave. सब कुछ बता दिया आपको. ब्रिटिश इलेक्ट्रिक कार कंपनी, स्पोर्ट्स, गवर्नर ने तो आगे भी बता दिया आपको. कंटेम्पररी स्पोर्ट्स.
Okay, let's move to the 13th question.
All set? Anurag?
All set, yeah.
Okay. Give us a simple connect.
Hang on. Don't answer. Who is this? Can you mute yourself?
Mute कर दो यार.
Mute. Please just mute yourself. Yeah.
Okay. Mute everyone.
Yeah, it's muted. I think she was unmuted because of.
Buzzer वाले पे unmute करेंगे sir.
Chandrima, please, I'll request not to speak out before requested. Okay. So nobody going. This surprise. So Deepak ji, you have to give some clue.
Okay, it's a business connect. One is the founder, one is the investor, one is the brand ambassador. As simple as that.
Okay, one of the three has recently bought the stake. So Madhur going and buzzing now closes. Madhur, what's the answer?
Big basket. Shah Rukh Khan is the ambassador. Tata's bought a stake, and this guy, I'm guessing, is the founder.
Yes. So Madhur has given as an audience or as a participant?
No, the participant. Madhur is participant. Yeah.
Participant. Plus 10. I thought you closed the buzzer. Okay.
Hari Menon, na? Hari Menon. Yes.
Hari Menon.
So may I request others? Yeah. Yes.
So plus 10 to Madhur. Let's go for the penultimate question now.
14th. Yeah.
The scores?
Yeah, we'll have the scores now. Right now, if Pulkit is ready with it. Pulkit, can you show the scores, or you can speak out if you want, because then he'll have to launch the slide again. So you can speak out.
Where do you speak out?
So yeah, so Amreshwar is at 20, and Amreshwar is at 20. Kaushik is at 10, and Madhur is at 0. And Somesh is at -10 and Chiranjeev at -20.
So 2 more questions to go in anybody's game. Still very low scoring match, but I hope it's interesting. Great, thanks Pulkit. So Deepak ji, you can go to the 14th one. So where is Deepak?
I think the screen is still.
I think got disconnected.
Yeah, Deepak is speaking actually, but he can't.
He's got disconnected, it seems. All set?
All set, yeah. Go for 14th, yeah.
Okay. Next question.
So I think Deepak connection is slightly not great, but the connect is, you have to tell the connect. Let me give some hints. This is something in the field of white goods. Something unique happened in 1982. Okay, Madhur taking the hint, and the buzzing closes. Madhur, what is your answer?
So 1982 Asian Games, color television, and color television is when Videocon launched their television. So Venugopal Dhoot, and this one I'm guessing is BPL. So color TV would be my guess, and
Okay, so yeah, so I'll not put you in spot too much. Color TV is the right answer. Deepak ji, if you're there, can you go to the next slide so that we can show next one? Yeah, I think this connection is not that great. So yeah, it is in fact Color
Also-
TV. So that was INB Minister Vasant Sathe, and Videocon
So
was
it
the
is good
first
or
one to manufacture.
Vasant Sathe?
Yeah, this is good. Yeah, yeah, Vasant Sathe. This is good. Good answer. +10.
Plus 10 to Madhur, and can we go for the last question?
Yeah, so the final question coming up. Before we show the final question, thanks all the participants here today. Thanks all the participants today who are there today. And here comes the last question. Yeah. So Deepak, your connection is, I think, not great. So I'll speak out because the connection is not that great from Deepak's side. You have to identify this bank, and dollar and rupee can be more than one word. So
Simply identify the
which
bank.
famous bank. Yeah. Okay, so buzzing now closes. We have Somesh first and then Chiranjeev. Somesh, over to you. Can you unmute yourself, Somesh?
Dena Bank, Dinakaran Nanji Bank.
Wow, what answer. Brilliant. So I can see Chiranjeev also clapping, so he also had the same answer, I guess. Deepak, you are there? So I think he has a connection which is not that great today. So Dena Bank it is. So Pulkit, if we can have the final scores. Yeah.
Yeah, then
there
we
it
will
is,
close.
Dena Bank. And Deepak, you can stop sharing the slide. I think just do stop share and we'll get the winner on screen. So Pulkit, yeah, that was good. Okay, so that's the score line for you. Amreshwar 20, Kaushik at 10, Madhur at 10. They both play next match, Kaushik and Madhur. And Amreshwar qualifies for the league. Congrats, Amreshwar. Can we have Amreshwar online? You can just stop sharing, Madhur, Pulkit, and just spotlight Amreshwar, yeah. Okay, so thanks everybody, and congrats, Amreshwar, for your victory.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. It was very good playing. And thanks to all participants, especially Madhur for all his getting runouts and stumped, I would say. I was a little lucky. And I was playing safe, to be very honest. Ravi Shastri style, you know?
Yeah.
Great.
We know how
Great.
we know how he became champion of champions. You can ask our generation. We'll discuss it later.
Okay, thanks, Deepak ji, and
thank you.
It was a pleasure to have you, Deepak, for this quiz. And may I request you to be there next time also to host next week match, Deepak, and we'll see.
Good question, sir.
Right, and thanks all the participants. So those who anybody gave right from the participant can just WhatsApp me back. If they think they gave the right answer, they also stand to play from the stage. So it was a good participation from participants, and we'll just improve this process more and more as more of you join as audience. Okay, thanks again. Thanks Madhur, Chiranjeev, Somesh, Kaushik, Chandanji couldn't join, Amreshwar, Nishchal, and Rachit. And of course, thanks Deepak and Pulkit. See you in the next match, which will be again more of a thriller. Till then,
Thank you,
enjoy
gentlemen. We had a
your
wonderful
campaign.
time. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you, Kaushik. Same here. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, everybody.
Bye. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night. Have a nice Sunday.
And enjoy your victory, Sunil, Amreshwar.